Okay, good afternoon everyone. We from Transworld Technologies have developed a mobile application namely as DragonDroid. So basically I'll give you an introduction on DragonDroid. Mobile eye DragonDroid application is based on an Android platform to capture journey, location, data. The main function of the DragonDroid is to get the GPS data from smartphone and process it on IoT. This application is helpful for companies and organizations to keep journey record. DragonDroid is developed for human safety on road. It's an useful application to monitor drivers' behavior, captures users' overspeed, rapid acceleration, rapid deceleration, continuous driving, and night driving. It's also useful to manage and maintain user's journey along with it to track your current location, average speed, and distance. So let's start with the installation over here. Okay. So here we are starting with the mobile installation. Firstly, it asks for then a prompt that it should be allowed or not. So in this case, you can allow this app for installing from unknown sources. Now, as the APK the app is installed, we'll just open it. Okay, we are in the app now. Firstly, it is prompting us to allow the access to your contacts, for which we'll allow it. For managing phone calls also, it's asking again, so we'll allow it again. For the location, allow all the time. For the media access, allow. Now we have entered the mobile application. The the introduction pages, you are just going through these pages. It's also been attached with the screenshots on how to install the application. So just go down and just click the bottom right hand side key, which is this one. As soon as you have pressed that key, it will go to the registration form. Here you will enter a name. After entering your name, you can enter your email ID provided by your company, your mobile number, your emergency contact number, okay. After entering that, if your company has provided with you any company code, you can enter that also. Now coming to the address, the company code, as I mentioned here, you can enter the company code over here if you have been provided with your company code. Now coming to the address, you can give your full address over here, but for the time being we are giving a short address over here. Okay, as we have completed the form, we'll press on the register button over here. Once our registration process is completed, it will ask for an OTP. The OTP should be getting us to in a minute, and here is the OTP. Just a second. Okay, so we have successfully installed the application, as well as it will ask for the auto start, which is by default being selected. We'll go back, and again it will check for the background settings. You have to just allow it to let the application allow in the background always. So we have to just allow it. Okay, so now the app has been successfully installed. Now whenever you are going for some journey or some destination, you have to just click the top right hand side button, which is log me. You have to just click this button, and after that the journey, your data will be captured while you are traveling through the journey. And here will the scores, the average speed, the kilometer, the acceleration, the braking, the overspeed. How much is the overspeed being captured while you are traveling? How much you have been applied brake while you are traveling? What was the average speed? What which was during your journey? And how much kilometers have you completed? This will be captured, and this will be displayed after you log out of this button, means after you click when you arrive at your destination. The total score will be displayed in this front screen. Okay, lastly, just whenever you start your journey, you have to just click this log me button on the top right hand corner, and whenever you reach your destination or your journey is completed, you have to just come again, press this button, log me off. So your journey will be captured and your data will be captured successfully. Thank you.